Hello, lovely people. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all doing great. Thanks for stopping by and greetings to you all. Today, I'm so happy to share with you one of my recipes, guys. This ingredient is very nutritious and I have been using it to make my waakye and I love it because it has so many benefits that gives to our bodies. I'm so happy to share with you this ingredient, guys, and I'm sure some of you are aware of this, but they have never used it to make their waakye. We use this ingredients or vegetable in our homes all the time. We use it to make our salad and even our juice. But I'm sure it has never crossed some of us our minds to use it to make waakye. Let's get to the kitchen and let me show you these simple ingredients, okay? We are using black eye beans and I've poured in about a cup and a half. You don't necessarily have to measure the beans, but it depends on how you want your waakye, okay? Some want the beans more than the rice, and others too want the rice more than the beans. But the perfect way is to always make your beans more than the rice, okay? So now let's check on our beans. Wow, it's cooking so well. And guys, very soon we're going to make our waakye. Now the secret is out. Ta-da! This is called beetroot, guys. And I'm sure most of you know about this root plant. It's a taproot portion of the beet plant, guys, and it's so healthy, and I'm sure some of you have used this to make their juice before, their salad before, but it never crossed their mind to ever use it to make their waakye. I love the fact that beetroot has a lot of benefits, and today you're going to also know some of them from this video. I love the fact that beetroot helps to improve the blood flows in our bodies. It also has some antioxidant properties and is good for our health. Beetroot also can be used to reduce blood pressure. Beetroots are an excellent source of folic acid and a very good source of fiber, manganese, and potassium. Now we're adding it to our beans. Guys, make sure that you blend it so nice and smooth. We're adding some more water because the rice and the beans, they need water. They need more water so that they can cook well and also to give you a nice feel or texture. So when making waakye, water is so important. Like add more water. Now give it a gentle stir and you mix it properly. Combine it and then you cover it up. You leave it to cook some more, okay? We're adding more water. As I said, water is very essential here. And now we're adding some salt to taste. It's time to cover it up and leave it to cook. Yes, it's been about 10 minutes and yes, it's still cooking, but the beans is so nice and tender. Can you see that? Yes, so nice and tender. So very soon we're going to add our rice, but the salt content is not that enough, so we are adding some more. Again, we give it a good stir. Mmm, tasting and smelling good already. Wow. Guys, we are now adding our rice. And the rice I'm using is jasmine rice. I love it so much. I love, 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 love jasmine rice. So that's it. I'm scooping everything out. I don't want to leave even a grain out. Yes, because this water is going to be so sweet. Again, give it a good stir, gentle and a good stir. Yes, I'm loving this. Can you tell the difference between this and the leaves? No way. Lovely people, if you want your waakye to look more browner than this or darker than this, you just have to add more beetroot, okay? And if you want your beans to also be more softer than this, what you have to do is to let the beans cook more than this, like a bit longer than this. All right. Continue to give it a gentle stir to open up the rice to allow the vapor and the heat to spread everywhere. Okay. And once that is done, you're going to cover it up again to trap all the heat again to cook some more. Can you see that? It's still not really cooked, like it's still a bit hard. Have you given me thumbs up yet? Are you enjoying the video so far? What are you waiting for? Give me thumbs up, okay? And if you are new on this channel and today is your first time ever watching my video, oh, what are you waiting for? Click on the red subscribe button. Don't forget to also click on the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I upload new videos. Alright, so now we're covering our rice up with parchment paper and kitchen foil made together. We are using the kitchen foil part to cover our rice in order to trap all the heat that we need to cook our waakye perfectly. So in about 15 to 20 minutes time, our rice should be ready for tasting or for eating. Okay, we are adding this kitchen towel to cover the rice again so that we can trap more heat. All right, we need to trap all the heat for the rice to cook fast and also to cook perfectly. Yes, I can feel the heat. Yes, the vapor is too much. That's good. We are back, and guys, can you see that? It doesn't feel the same anymore. Yes, it's cooked perfectly now, just as I want it. Can you see that? And it looks so good. Wow, so let me know if you ever tried this recipe in the description box below, okay? Have you also seen my waakye stew recipe yet? I will leave the link in the description box below, guys. This stew is all you need for your perfect waakye. It's so crowd pleasing and so party pleasing. The taste and aroma is perfect. It's so flavorful. Have you also seen my shito recipe or my black pepper sauce recipe? I'll leave the link in the description box below. Definitely check them out and try these recipes. You can as well recreate them, guys, and you will love it. It's time for tasting. All right, and this is the interesting part. Yes, so after the hard work, you earn something. Okay. Where are your plates? It's serving time, and I don't care what time it is. I enjoy my waakye at any time of the day. I eat it as my breakfast, my lunch, or dinner. I love me special waakye. Okay, thanks so much for watching this video. I hope you are inspired. Please come again next time, and if you are new, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more appetizing recipes. Until I see you all in my next video, stay blessed and be good. Bye bye. Kiss. One more thing, don't forget to recommend this channel to friends and families. Also share this video, let your friends know about my channel and let them subscribe too. Let's grow this channel together and let's enjoy appetizing and amazing recipes on my channel. Again, I love you all. Stay blessed. Mwah.